Here's a pair of the JLab Go Tones Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first thing is we want to put these into pairing mode, okay? Make sure the buds are in a case, close the case. Now go ahead and open it, take out both the earbuds, okay? Now we'll know that these are in pairing mode if one of these is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, and one of them will stay white solid, okay? I'm not getting any of those right here, and the reason why I'm not is because I'm currently connected to a different device. I'm connected to my iPhone here, okay? So let me go ahead and go to the settings on my iPhone here, and I'm gonna go to Bluetooth here. I can do three things from here. I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can go into here where it's currently connected. I could disconnect or forget this device. If I do any of those three, this will automatically go into pairing mode, okay? So for example, let's turn off Bluetooth right now. Hey, what do you know? Blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, solid white. It's in pairing mode. Let's go to our Android phone here. Let's go to the settings, to go to the Bluetooth settings. I'll go to connections. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Tap on Bluetooth. And that little spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode, and it'll show up down here under available devices. Still in the pairing mode, blue, white, solid white. It did find it, JLab Go Tones Plus. Tap on that pairing, you get a pairing request. Tap on pair, and we are currently connected. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.